Welcome back to the restoration discussion. Today is part 4, and I will be talking about Drummond Flats WMA, which is in north central Oklahoma, located in Garfield County. What's important about restoring this wetland? Well, first, it's a historical 4,000-acre basin, and it was once a key wetland of the Central Flyway of migratory birds, and it's a very important stopover habitat historically for migrating species. If you don't know what a stopover habitat is, it's basically when birds are migrating to one area to another, they stop to rest and to forage to build up enough energy from once they leave to be able to make it on to wherever they're migrating from. Now, who operates this wetland? It is owned and operated by ODWC, but NRCS, which is the Natural Resource Conservation Service, and Ducks Unlimited both help in different aspects of this wetland. They all play their own role of how they contribute to the wetland, whether it's through helping acquire land or doing assessments of the land or other projects. From 2008 to 2020, they ran into some difficulties which halted the restoration of this wetland. What halted it was Vance Air Force Base, which is about 7 miles from the wetland, had concerns of bird, plane airstrikes, which it has been documented that birds have flew into the engines of planes and messed their engines up, and other things have happened. Well, Vance Air Force Base wanted to make sure everything went right, so they went and in 2018 they went and had the NRCS contact Ducks Unlimited to conduct an environmental assessment, which was completed in January of 2020. And through this, it has let the restoration plan resume, which is a good thing because this wetland needs to be to its full potential to help migratory birds. And Ducks Unlimited engineers hopefully will have a restoration plan completed sometime next year, which is very exciting. And the future, why it matters for just everything, the wildlife species, us, everyone. Because having an intact historical wetland benefits everyone. Benefits the wildlife, the people, benefits hunters, birders, anyone that benefits from this wetland. It can't be stressed enough how important wetlands are to the future of wildlife. And this is just one of many wetlands we have in Oklahoma that is crucial to the sustainability of several different wildlife species. I hope this has given you more insight into the importance of wetlands and how wetlands help the state as well as the country as a whole. Thank you.